Alright guys, before we get started, just one tiny little detail that I forgot to mention. So I made the whole video, edited the whole thing, and then realised I forgot to mention the most important thing, and that is that this is a budget build. Minimal money to be spent. My current lifestyle doesn't allow me to spend a lot of money on it. So yeah, let's see how we get on. Hello, welcome to my new workshop. It's a bit of a mess, let me show you around. Hi, I'm the man at mechanic. So I'm an engineer by trade, and I've always had your typical 9 to 5 job. And I've always really liked cars, really liked working on them. So far, my workshop has been driveways, fields, side of the road, pretty much anywhere that I could maybe get under the car would just about fit and squeeze. I'm now at the point in my life where I've got a workshop. Here it is. I'm still holding down a 9 to 5 job. I've still got to pay for it. But I'm at the point where I can set this up, hopefully get something cool going, and have a nice place where we can really work on some interesting projects, and with a bit of luck, make some cool content for you guys. My life's not that interesting. Someone is opening a garage door. I feel like that's going to be a recurring problem. Hi, I'm the man at mechanic. It's going to be a fucking 20-minute video to get one shot in. Just going to drive right past any. Well, let's hope it's not too loud. And yeah, I finally got my own workshop. I'm hoping to try and... Alright guys, so here it is, my first workshop. Just a quick introduction. It's about 6 meters long, comfortably fits any vehicle I can think of, or at least any vehicle I'm going to be owning. About 4.5 meters wide here, a bit less of the staircase, straight up to the house. So comfortable. And yeah, I'm looking to build a little workshop here, work on the motorbike, which is probably just out of shot. You've seen it, I'm sure. Work on the car, which you guys are currently mounted to. By far the most expensive frame mount in the world. I'm sure I'll get corrected on that. And yeah, maybe get some bigger projects in here. I do own some other vehicles, they're slightly inaccessible at the moment. But hope to get them in here, do them up, maybe a restoration, maybe go a little bit crazier. What do you guys think?
wide, bro.
Right guys, just got back from the shop. Let me show you what we got. So we got a stapler that's going to be very handy just to hang up bits and bobs, particularly if most of it's going to be made out of wood. I've got some angle grinder discs. I do have an angle grinder, but when I bought it, it didn't come with any. There's no immediate plan or immediate use case for that. I've got some hardware, just general hardware, and some drill bits to get all the wood mounted onto this back wall. And lastly, I've got some paint, and that one is for the floor, mostly because it's looking a bit tired from wear and tear and it needs a bit of a touch up. You'll notice there are some other colours. The plan is to get the logo painted onto the floor, which is interesting because I'm not even sure what that looks like yet. Of course, if you want to see that, you'll have to keep watching the channel. That will definitely be in a separate or later video, but it'll look great. Damn, missed the camera.
Action.
I was thinking to that.
Yeah, the first part.
Right. Hi guys, so this is the plan for this part of the workshop. We've got a bunch of wood, we've been to find it, all reclaimed, all sourced responsibly, and the idea is to set up a proper workshop wall here. Not quite sure on the layout yet. I'm thinking this is going to be my workbench, probably put something over it to make sure we don't damage it too much, it's not mine. And then use these pallets in some way, shape or form up against this wall to be able to hang, well, everything else in this garage. Hopefully we'll end up on this wall, at least all the tools. Right, we've done a couple of trips. Got some good building materials. Time for a tidy up. Do I really want to say something about this? I don't know. So this is, well, it's obviously it's a little worktop. It's one of those that you can open up, clamp words, saw through the middle without, you know, cutting through your table. Do a bunch of stuff. Get a table saw on here if you need to. Get that one on there. Maybe use a bandsaw, whatever. And a good old friend of mine made this for me. A man by the name of Sid Phillips. Right, so progress so far. I think I'm happy with the position of that table. I am happy with this worktop here. I quite liked the two worktops next to each other, but if I do that, then these don't fit side by side. I could put one of those there, but I need that wall real estate for something else. And this is not terrible. I might swap these around. I could do something with that. There's a bunch of stuff I could put in there. That's there for now. Not really sure about that. Brilliant bit of kit this. I'm sure we'll need it when we do something with these mess. Yeah, not bad. Not a bad couple of days work. Let's see if we can get a 6 shot here. That's not bad. It's an acceptable setup for now. Yeah. Progress so far. A little project coming up. A bunch of stuff. Some of this is mine. Some of this is from the owner of this house. Like I said, or maybe I didn't, it is rented. That's my old dishwasher. Those chairs. I don't think I'm going to take them up. I can use them to have a little sit around. The KLE 500. You've been surprising lack of smooth mounting surfaces. Boiler's one of them. Motorbike is another. And there's a bunch of different shots that I get from this car, mounting it on different places. You'll have to let me know, see what you think. Right, yeah, time for a tidy up and call it a day. Alright guys, so I've been editing this first video. It is my very first time editing, and it is taking forever. I think the video is long enough. We're around 8 minutes 24. I suspect it'll be around 9 minutes by the time I add this clip in. There you go, that'll be the last scene you'll have watched, hopefully, I think. Yeah, I think it's a pretty good length to keep people engaged, keep people watching. If you don't think so, or you have any other constructive feedback, drop it in the comments. All comments are always appreciated. If you did like it, drop a like. Helps me feel happy about myself. Helps the YouTube algorithm, helps everyone. Everyone's happy, just drop a like. And if you do want to see more of what I'm doing, feel free to subscribe. I will be doing a bit more work on the workshop. There's at least another 2-3 episodes coming on that. I'll try and be a bit more concise on the content, not drag it out so long. And yeah, let me know what you think.